Hey guys, so today I guess I will show you how to create my everyday glowy makeup look. It's pretty easy to create and you don't need a lot of products. So to start off this makeup look, I will be using this stick primer from Milk. I like the fact that it comes like this in a stick. It's pretty easy to use. You just go all over the face, just like that. And then use your hands, your fingers to blend it. For foundation, I'm going with MAC Cosmetics Water Weight Foundation. I am so obsessed with this foundation actually. It makes my skin look super flawless, like I wear no foundation at all, and it's pretty good also in the summer because it just leaves your skin very naturally looking, and I just love it. And I like to apply it with a beauty sponge, and as you can see I just go all over the face just like that, and I'm doing it actually in sections. This way I can like really control how much I want from the foundation on my face. I'm just bringing it down to my neck, and I'm going over my ears as well. And I am in the shade NC20. And at the end, what I like to do is take again some of the foundation and just do a little, dots all over my face to give a little bit, some more coverage. Lately I've been obsessed over this concealer from Tarte. This is the Chrysalis concealer, and I'm in the shade 13N. This must be like the best concealer up there at the moment. I don't know. I mean, if you're someone like me that has like fine lines, I think this is the one concealer that you need to have. It's it's like, I don't know, I like the formula. The shade is just perfect for my fair skin tone. I just love using it, and I like to do like a few dots here and then like 2 lines over there, just like that. Then go around my nose as well, around my mouth, and then here on my chin and on my forehead, something like this. And again, with a beauty sponge I'll just blend that out. And I'm also going over my eyelids, and this will it will also prime my eyelids for my eyeshadow later. Now to give some color into my face, I will use some bronzer, and I'm taking this one by Maybelline, and this one it's in light cool, and I'm using this brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going firstly here on the sides of my forehead, bringing it down to my temples, and I'm going right here into my hairline, and then I'm going right here into the highest points of my cheeks. And now what is left on my brush, I'm just gonna go like this on my jawline and on my nose a little bit, just to give some color. And I'm doing like a number 3 with only what's left on my brush. Now, because I have an oily T-zone, I like to go over with the pressed powder, and I'm using the Estee Lauder, and this one it's in a light and medium, number 2, and I'm taking a big face brush, just going on the product, and I am focusing more here on my forehead, bringing it down my nose, on the sides of my nose, and on my chin, as well here on the eyes, just to set everything, and that's it. And this really helps to control the oils of my face throughout the day. And if you're looking for a good pressed powder, then I'm suggesting you go out and look for this one. It's a little bit pricey, but it's totally worth it, trust me. I've been using this one for years and years, and I have never been disappointed. So now I'll just do my eyebrows really quick off camera, and the product that I'm using, it's this eye pencil from Maybelline, and I'll be right back. Now, you know me, and you know I cannot control myself from not using this gorgeous blush from Maybelline in Mauve Intrigue. I am obsessed with this one, and I'm gonna apply some of that right here on the highest points of my cheeks, and I'm bringing it here on my temples. It gives a very natural color to the face. I just love it. I'm gonna go with a little bit more. We want this look to be super glowy, very beautiful for the summer. So now with what is left on my brush, I'm going like this on my cheeks, then on my nose, and a little bit here on my forehead. Now the same blush with my finger, I will go here on my eyelids, And now for the glowy part, I will take this palette from Sassy Beauty. It has some gorgeous highlighters in it. Beautiful. So on the face, like here on the highest points of my cheeks, I will go with bold. And I'm gonna go right here. Ooh, just, oh my god, this is crazy. So it's actually the first time that I'm using this palette, and I am impressed. I usually use the one from Becca Cosmetics, the one they had in collaboration with Jaclyn Hill. I think Champagne Pop or something like that. Gorgeous highlighter, by the way. It kind of looks something like this one that I'm using right now, so I'm really impressed by the pigment of this palette. Okay, and now on my eyes, I will go with Flick. So let's see this one. This is like a super gold shade. Love it. So let's see how it looks on the lids. Okay, so that is gorgeous. This is beautiful. Love it. So I will go back with bold, and I'm gonna go a little bit here, just like that, bringing it down on the Cupid's bow as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with a few coats of this Maybelline mascara. This is the Falsies Lash Lift, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now for a lipstick, I am going with YSL. It has a beautiful kind of a berry color, and it's not quite a lipstick, it's more like a tinted balm, but very hydrating, and I just love it. You obviously have to reapply throughout the day, but I just love how hydrating it is, and I am obsessed with the shade of it. So I guess this is everything for today's video. This is my signature everyday glowy makeup look that I like to wear like almost every day. Do let me know in the comments below if you guys like it, and I do hope to see you on the next one. Bye.